Hey all, I just want to make a quick video, a shout out to a student back from the June basic class, Daniel Gudgeon. He actually came to the basic class back in June, and he approached me at the class and said he had a book he would like to send me. And he did that, and I've actually had it for, I don't know, a couple of months now. And I wanted to do a shout out video back then, but you know, we've been having internet troubles and we've had a lot of classes and things like that, so I have been basically procrastinating. And I just wanted to get a shout out video out to Dan. I really appreciate this book. What he actually sent me is an actual piece of history. This is a 1940 Blue Jackets manual. Oop, I kicked my stand. This is a 1940 Blue Jackets manual. Any of you that are in the Navy veterans, you know that you get a Blue Jackets manual issued to you at boot camp. It's basically all things Navy, and it's a pretty good sized book. This is 1940 edition. The edition I got back in boot camp in 1980 was really not that much smaller, newer cover and so on and so forth. According to the inside of this book, this was owned by a Jack Washaw, and he was at boot camp from November of 42 to December of 42, beginning in November to the end of December. Looks like he graduated a couple of days before Christmas in 1942. It's got all of his company and battalion information where he was assigned there. So if any of you know Jack Washaw, I'd kind of be interested to hear a little bit of his history along with the Navy history at that time. November, December of 42. He was probably a World War II, one of those guys that enlisted just because of World War II, and had a lot to be said to that generation, you know. But anyway, I really want to thank Daniel for this book. This is gonna have a place of honor in the library here. I've still got mine from back in boot camp, so most of the Navy guys probably still have theirs. But I really want to thank you for this, and I appreciate you thinking of me when you saw this book. And thanks at all. Thanks for your views. Thanks for your support. Y'all keep watching. As far as the other stuff I got going on other social media platforms, all those links are in the description if you're interested in those things. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the woods.